What's the meaning of companionway? Companionway. Companionway.
Companionway. Companionway. A companionway is a nautical term used to describe a staircase or ladder that connects one deck of a ship to another. These passages can be found on sailboats, yachts, and larger vessels and are often located near the centerline of the ship. Companionways are an important feature of seafaring vessels as they provide safe and easy access between decks while at sea. The word companionway comes from the nautical term companion, which refers to a raised structure on deck that provides access to the captain's cabin.